So welcome to Techy Roque, and you are watching this video, and this is the video on the customize your pendrive. You can add image in it if you want to add an image or icon in your pendrive like this. So keep watching this video, you can add any icon in it. So let's get started. You can add any icon in it. In that you can see this is my removable drive, and this is another removable drive, and this is this. So you can add icon like in any pen drive or drive or any other SD card. So for this you can see you need an image and you need a autorun.in. Let me show you how to create this. So just I'm creating this. So you need another text file, and here text file write and you need to remove .txt. So autorun file is ready, and here you can open with notepad. And here you need to add the icon. Here icon ICO and equal, and here are the icon name of your icon. So you can search any icon like .ico by typing in the search bar. You can see the many icons here. Write .ico, and here in the pictures you can see lots of icons. This is a PUBG icon for it. So this is so I'm gonna use this image, but here you can see this is not the icon, this is a .png. Just copy the image to your pendrive, to the root directory of your pendrive, and again edit this file. Now save it. So after inserting your pendrive looks like this. You can see the image here. This is our another, and this is this. So you can edit that you want. So here you can see the both. I can change any of them. If you want a label in it, so just open this and write label. Reinserting a pendrive. So you can see the name that is not. And if you want your own image that you want to convert it, that if you want to convert a .png image into icon, so you need to write select your file. So you can see this is the icon 2.ico in the .icon format. Save it and reinsert your pendrive. So after reinserting your pendrive, you will see the image on the pendrive. So thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, subscribe to the channel for more like this.